Good morning everyone, this is Gillian. This is take 2. I have my mobile phone blue tacked to a lamp, a table lamp, and part way through making this day 1 video, the mobile phone fell off. So this is take 2, so let's hope it holds this time. So here's day 1. So I'm combining the digitals from Cara Brandon and Dearjuliejulie in the 12 Days of Digis 2020 challenge. So I'm one of the elves doing the challenges for them, and I don't know how many other elves there are, but there are some elves doing the same as me, which is doing all 12 days, and there are some elves just choosing to do 1 or more days but not all of it. So it'll be really interesting seeing what I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying doing it for myself, but I'm also so looking forward to seeing what everybody else makes from these kits and put their own interpretation on. So as well as the digitals, I've used vintage book pages, I've used vintage music sheets, and also like for this one an envelope which I have altered. So that's the full size of the envelope. I've kept it open at the top and I've also opened the side, and that will go, I'm making a journal overall from these kits, just a small one. So this is going to be the centre of that journal, so that sort of double spread can be seen across the centre pages. So as you can see, a vintage book page which is a story about a Christmas tree, so that went perfectly. Some of the digitals collaged with some music paper. Inside, a couple more of the digitals layered on to the envelope with various book pages, music, and I printed some handwriting from a picture I got off the internet, just because I thought it just added a little bit more interest. And then inside this front opening, I have one of the digitals which is a postcard. I've printed everything on 120 grams paper. The usual printing paper is, I believe, 85 grams, or GSM, I'm not sure how you say that. So I treated myself to some 120, but it isn't that much thicker. I expected it to hold on its own, but it doesn't. So everything I've used, I've then backed with my tea dyed paper to make it more substantial. That will probably go in one of the pockets in the journal later, so that it's actually on view rather than tucked away. And then I made a tag, and I thought I had a really good idea, and I made a tag with like a fold out journaling space, so it folds out like that, again using tea dye paper. But then I was watching another video yesterday after I'd made this, and lo and behold, someone else had done it. So nothing's ever new, probably hundreds of people do it, and I've probably seen it somewhere and it like sunk into my psyche somewhere. And there I was thinking I'd had a good idea, but never mind, it doesn't matter at all. The inspiration lands, doesn't it? So the tag is from Cara's kit. The tag shape I've then layered, again using different page papers, and then an element from one of Dearjuliejulie's day 1 sheet. A couple of other elements from Cara's. I've made it like with the string top, and then just threaded a couple of the small elements on. There's little dangles on there, and I just thought overall that really makes a nice tag. And I do like numbers. I don't know why, I'm not that great at maths or anything, but I do like numbers showing obviously somewhere on on the pages that I use, etc. And 365 just totally by coincidence came, and it just seemed to me to go, well, we're looking at 12 days of digis for Christmas and 365 days in a year. I don't know, to me it seemed good combination. So I'll pop that back in there, and then on the back we've got the window part of the envelope, which I've backed behind inside with music paper. This little element was on one of the vintage book pages, so I just thought on its own it looked nice with the layer in here. A postcard, and I can't remember whether that's Cara's or Julie's. I knew that would happen, but it really doesn't matter because the challenge is to combine the kits. And then inside there's a smaller tag, which again I've layered. I've just backed this one with some book page, a bit of tea-dyed paper and a number, and just got a little cluster here glued to the front. Again, that's another little element from the kit, and I don't know if you can see, I just made it shiny with some glossy accents just to help it pop a bit. And that fits nicely into there so that you can see it through the window. So there you go, there's day one completed. I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out, and had a lot of fun making it, and that's the main aim, obviously, with our junk journaling, is to have fun, relax, focus away from all the horrible stuff that's happening at the moment. Hope you're all enjoying it too, either taking part or watching what the elves are making. Take care, bye.